Okay, I'm going to try to take a mesh here and find out what the sphere, see if I can figure out how to get the sphere from that mesh. So let me open the sphere from the computer. Oh, not the sphere, the mesh. Here's the challenge. Open that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and first I'll go to the mesh menu, and then I will convert the mesh. Select that base feature. Yeah, good. That worked very nicely. Okay, so what I found worked best is I'll go to the construction menu and I'll go to the midplane. So I'm going to, this way I can go in, I'll select two of these so I've got a nice square there. And I'll get a plane. I of course have to show it. So now I have one plane. So let me move around and I'll create another plane. Different angle to that. Same thing here. Let's repeat that. And again I will go 1, 2. Okay, so now I have two planes. You know, that was not really the best plane. Let me undo that. Let's try creating a plane. Here. Repeat that. Bing, bing. Okay. No, that's still not the best. Okay. And then same thing. Repeat that, and I will get another plane here. Okay. So I got three planes. That'll be good enough. Going back here to the construction menu, I will find the point through three planes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I have a point. So that's nice. It's a little cluttered. So I'll go over here to my construction plane and I'll hide those planes. Now I just have that point there. And what I'm going to do now is going back to the construction menu. Let's go ahead and get an axis through 2 points. So I'll take that center point there, and looking at the nipple here at the top of the mesh there. Okay. So now I have that plane, and I'll go back to that plane. I'm going to make a plane at an angle because I can select that axis there. I don't care about the angle. So now I have the plane that is defined by that axis there, and again I can go slip back over here to the solid menu, and I'll create a sphere. And let's see, I got to select the plane, and then I've got to select the point. That's kind of a pain. I got to zoom in on that. Come on, you. Come on, you. What a pain. Okay, let's go right there. Okay. And I've already have it set to 156. Okay. And let's see what that looks like. Well, you can see it's a pretty good fit. I'm going to go to the paint it so it looks a little easier to see. And I'll go a blue glass for the sphere, and then maybe get some paint if I can find the paint. Yeah, some red paint for that there. Yeah. All right. So you can see, let me get rid of that there. If I want to play around a little bit with the, let's see. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. If I want to edit this, delete. No, it's not letting me. I'm having, yep. Well, the computer gets unhappy with me sometimes. Anyway, you should be able to get in there and edit that sphere, and you can get it to kind of come through the mesh. But 156 is pretty good. Let me just try one last time. I should be able to edit. Yeah, edit the feature. So let me call that 101.55. No, let's go 156.5. 150. Well, that's. You see, now you can just see it 156.2. Oh, there we go. 156. That's 156.2 right now. It may vary, depending on the intersection of the planes, but you can see it's all pretty close. Anyway, that's all, folks. Okay, so I'm done. How do I stop this goddamn thing?